Hey YouTube, today we're going to be comparing some LEDs to the normal halogen bulbs. I want to thank the company, I believe it's pronounced SIMDEVANMA. They sent me these LEDs for my brake lights, which is going to go right here. So I already took the bulb out. It's just going to go in the back and unplug it from the harness and then pull the bulb. And here's the new bulbs. Give me a sec. Open them up. Wow, that is wicked looking. And it has LEDs all around it. They got some weight to them too. And then like a little projector looking bulb on the top. So these are 7443 bulbs, and they're coming in the color red, because obviously they're going to be my brake lights. So alright, so the bulb is all the way on the top. It's like right here. So now let's make sure it works. Alright, so this is the LED, and that's the halogen. Alright guys, it's now nighttime, and I'm going to show you the differences in between the LED and the halogen. So my girlfriend, she's going to push the brake. Alright, push it. That's the LED. Hold it. And the halogen's on this side. Yeah, I can see a way bigger difference. Let me try to get that zoom right there. So here we go. Probably can't see it as well. Damn. Yeah, LEDs are definitely brighter. Alright, now press them a bunch of times. Oh yeah, you can see how it, the other one has to like slowly fade. So we got LED and then halogen. I like them. Alright, press it. Now watch the halogen. Let go. See how it fades? Push it. Let go. Now watch the LED. Alright, push it. Let go. They're instant. Push it again. So far I like these. It's a lot safer then. Your lights will be a lot brighter and people actually see it. Especially when it's raining heavy. Yeah, so far they're pretty good. Easy to install and no issues. Now I'm going to turn on the normal lights. Let go. So that's what they look like on the normal. Oh yeah, you can see the difference now. That's the normal light. Wow, yeah. It's a lot brighter. Wonder why this part's red. Oh, there's a bulb right there. I guess the other side's blown out. So that's the next thing I'm gonna look into, getting a bulb for the bottom. But yeah. This concludes my video. I like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, guys.